Hello, family and friends. Today we'll end the discussion on osteoarthritis, focusing on topical agents and tools you can use to help mitigate pain and stiffness. The topical agents that I use include Salonpas, Block Pain, Tiger Balm, Aspercreme, BioFreeze, Voltaren, Avocado Oil, Arnica, and Receptra Naturals. Receptra Naturals is a mixture of Arnica and hemp. I rotate between these topical agents because after using a product for 3 to 6 weeks, they just don't seem to work as well. So I have a rotating schedule. If you are considering trying some of these topical agents, speak with your doctor first. Besides diet, supplements, and topical agents, flexibility is also very important. Stretching is essential to helping mitigate pain. I recommend getting the stretch out strap on Amazon. It comes with illustrations and instructions on how to do each stretch properly, and every muscle group is addressed. For example, hamstring and quad stretches are 2 key stretches that are beneficial for those patients suffering with osteoarthritis of the knee. As the knee stiffens, so do the muscles around them, which enhances the knee pain. How about trying foam rolling? It is a great tool which can release the tightness within the muscles surrounding the joint. It can enhance flexibility and mitigate pain. My preference is the vibrating foam roller by Hyperice. In fact, Tom Brady attributed his longevity to the use of a foam roller and enhanced stretching, which he outlines in his book called the TB12 method. I also invert on the inversion table. There has been no evidence in the literature that I could find that recommends the inversion table for osteoarthritis. Let me repeat myself. There has been no evidence in the literature that recommends it for any type of arthritis. It is in fact contraindicated for those individuals with a knee replacement. However, in my experience, many conditions are a result of too much pressure on the joints, and an inversion table takes pressure off of our weight-bearing joints. It helps me manage the pain and stiffness while allowing my surrounding muscles to relax. There are also some additional contraindications that you should be aware of prior to using an inversion table. So speak with your doctor first before considering using it. You may want to consider an online or in-person yoga or Pilates class because these exercises put minimal stress on your joints and ligaments while strengthening the surrounding muscles. Lastly, I highly recommend using the jacuzzi and/or steam shower. Warm water therapy is highly effective according to the Arthritis Foundation and from my personal experience. You can also use contrast therapy, which simply means you rotate heat and cold therapy. I do a steam shower prior to working out to loosen up my muscles and joints, thereby enhancing my flexibility. Steam showers also help decrease joint pain. Now, if you don't have time to jump into a steam shower, why not try a bed buddy for the joints? You can heat the bed buddy in the microwave, which will create moist heat. And moist heat is good for the joints. It can help minimize stiffness and pain. And one last thing you should not discount is meditation. Mindful meditation is one of the most effective types of meditation. The goal is to break the pattern of negative thinking, which ultimately makes the pain worse. So with meditation, acknowledge the pain, accept the pain, and let it go and move on. That's it for today. See you next week.